the iPhone 16, what to expect from Apple's next flagship phone. As the world eagerly anticipates Apple's next flagship smartphone, the iPhone 16, tech enthusiasts and everyday consumers alike are buzzing with speculation about its features, design, and capabilities. Building on the legacy of its predecessors, the iPhone 16 is poised to push the boundaries of technology and redefine user experience. Here's a closer look at what we might expect from the highly anticipated device. 1. Design innovations. Apple has always been known for its sleek and elegant designs, and the iPhone 16 is expected to continue this tradition. While the exact aesthetics remain under wraps, rumors suggest that Apple may incorporate new materials or alter the phone's dimensions slightly. Some leaks hint at a slimmer profile and potentially new color options, appealing to a broader range of styles. The iPhone 16 could also see enhancements in durability, with improvements in glass and aluminum that would make the device more resistant to cracks and scratches. Additionally, Apple may introduce advancements in water and dust resistance, continuing its trend of robust devices that can withstand various environments. 2. Display enhancements. Display technology is a critical area of focus for Apple, and the iPhone 16 is expected to deliver significant upgrades. The device may feature an enhanced OLED display with deeper blacks, more vibrant colors, and possibly an increase in refresh rate, providing that signature smooth scrolling experience that has become a hallmark of high-end smartphones. Furthermore, the size of the display could be adjusted, aiming to maximize screen real estate while minimizing the overall footprint of the device. Innovations in under-display technology could also pave the way for a more immersive viewing experience. 3. Cutting-edge camera system. The camera system on the iPhone has always been one of its standout features, and the iPhone 16 is expected to take this to the next level. Expected camera improvements include upgraded sensors, enhanced optical zoom capabilities, and advanced computational photography features that leverage machine learning to create stunning images and videos. Apple may also focus on enhancements to low-light performance, ensuring that users can capture clear, vibrant photos even in challenging lighting conditions. New photography modes may be introduced, catering to both professional photographers and casual users looking to elevate their mobile photography game. 4. Increased performance. With every new iPhone model, Apple introduces a faster processor, and the iPhone 16 will likely showcase the next iteration of the highly regarded A-series chip. This will result in improved speed, better graphics performance, and enhanced energy efficiency, ensuring that users can enjoy a seamless experience whether they're gaming, multitasking, or using demanding applications. Additionally, Apple may increase RAM capacity, which would facilitate smoother performance and improved multitasking capabilities. The combination of a powerful processor and optimized software could lead to significant performance upgrades across the board. 5. Battery life and charging efficiency. Battery life continues to be a top priority for smartphone users, and the iPhone 16 is expected to feature enhancements that optimize battery performance. With advancements in battery technology and power optimization, users can anticipate longer usage times between charges. Moreover, Apple may also increase support for faster charging technologies, including improved MagSafe functionality and potentially new charging options that minimize downtime for users on the go. 6. Software features and ecosystem integration. The iPhone 16 will undoubtedly launch with the latest version of iOS, which is expected to introduce new features and improvements, enhancing user experience and device functionality. Innovations in privacy, artificial intelligence, and seamless integration with other Apple products are anticipated, creating a more interconnected ecosystem for users. Additionally, advancements in augmented reality, AR, could take center stage, opening new avenues for app development and usage in areas like gaming, education, and shopping. Conclusion. While the iPhone 16 is still shrouded in mystery, the expected innovations and enhancements showcase Apple's commitment to pushing the boundaries of technology and creating a device that enriches the user experience. Whether you're a dedicated Apple enthusiast or a casual smartphone user, the iPhone 16 promises to be a device that not only meets but exceeds expectations. As we await its official launch, one thing is clear: The future of the iPhone is bright, and the iPhone 16 is set to lead the way. Stay tuned for Apple's official announcements for the most accurate information on this exciting upcoming release.